Hello everyone, and I want to welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Welcome you, my subscribers and returning subscribers. So, Olakunle Churchill said he has got everything that he ever lost. So he said the best thing about life is that is the best thing about his life is that everything I've ever lost has been replaced with something better. I never lack, I just transition. So according to him, all he's ever lost, everything that Olakunle Churchill has ever lost in life has been replaced with something better. So I think he started with an update on Instagram. First he says sleep 8 hours and then drink 2 liters minimum of water every day. Get sun daily, no sugar. Read for 30 minutes a day. Work out 3 times a week. Eat fruits, veg daily, especially your greens. Meditate at least 10 minutes a day. Then he gave us the best thing in life. He shared the best thing about his life. He said the best thing about life is that everything I've ever lost has been replaced with something better. I never lack, I just transition. Now we start with, first of all, let's say he lost Tonto Dike. His first marriage with Tonto Dike crashed. Now Tonto Dike accused him of sleeping with Rosaline Mura. Now Rosaline Mura debunked it, said that it's like a brother to her. Now from a brother to currently her husband. So it seemed that Tonto Dike's accusation about her is true. So let's get it straight. Let's get it straight. One, he has lost Tonto Dike, and now he's got Rosaline Mura. First of all, Tonto Dike has a son with Tonto Dike. We can't say he has lost that one. So he has lost a wife and he has got a new one. Is his job? Maybe he has lost a job, he has got another job. So to him, everything he has lost has been replaced with something better. And he said that he does not lose, he rather transition. He will transition. You know, I think a few months ago, many people were accusing Rosie Mura of snatching Tonto Dike's husband Olakunle Churchill from Tonto Dike, because that was one of the prime accusation that Tonto Dike made against Olakunle Churchill, because she said that her husband Olakunle Churchill was sleeping with Rosaline Mura, which Rosaline Mura debunked, and she said that Olakunle Churchill was just like a brother to her and she's just like a sister to Olakunle Churchill. But currently, it's not according to that narrative. Rosaline Mura is not just a sister to Olakunle Churchill now. She's now his wife, and Olakunle Churchill is Rosaline Mura's husband. So, he said he doesn't lose anything. The best thing about life is that everything that he's ever lost. The only ones I know we can say that he's lost one is lost Tonto Dike as a wife, and according to him, according to his update, he has replaced Tonto Dike with Rosaline Mura, who I think he said is better. And he said that Rosaline Mura is his addiction everyday vitamin. And Rosaline Mura replied that Olakunle Churchill is her king, my happiness, love you always. So, since their relationship, came public, it was made known, since Rosaline Mura made it known that Olakunle Churchill is her husband, Nigerians have not taken it lightly with Rosie Mura. Anytime since that time she announced that Olakunle Churchill is her husband, I mean, many Nigerians have always trooped to her page to call her husband snatcher, like trolling her, my sister, my brother, because that was what she claimed that Olakunle Churchill is to her. Olakunle Churchill is her brother, and like a brother to her, and she's just like a sister to Olakunle Churchill. But currently, Olakunle Churchill is her husband, and she's Olakunle Churchill's wife. So, do you think Nigerians are right by always going to Rosalie Mira's page to call her husband snatcher, or my sister Loriro is my brother Loriro, always trolling her? But it seems they don't really care about these trolls, because one, they are married now and they are together. So marriage is between two people, between two people, and third party is not involved. So whatsoever thing you call her, whatever name you call her, it doesn't really matter. She doesn't care. Why? She's got a husband and they're staying together, and that's what we know at the moment. So Olakunle Churchill said he's not lost all the things that he's lost. He has been replaced with something. But what do you think that, apart from Rosalie Mira, that is his wife currently, and of course Rosalie Mira, according to what she made us know, she's had a child now with Olakunle Churchill. So what do you think that Olakunle Churchill lost that's now replaced with something better, apart from the new wife that is married? Thank you guys. That's the update I have for us at the moment.